Guys, it's finally here. This box right here is the decider and the missing piece on whether I get my car soon or later. Let me explain while I unbox this. Yeah, so I was playing Rocket League one morning and everything was going smooth. There was an estimated pickup date for the car, all the pieces were ordered and were on the way to the mechanic. Everything was going great. But that was until I got a call. My mechanic told me that everything has been ordered and is expected to come in pretty soon. And then I'm thinking, well, what's the bad news? And he tells me that the wheels are on back order and there's no estimated time of when it will be back. If you don't know what back order means, it just means that the wheels aren't being made at the moment. Well, obviously this isn't something anybody waiting for their car wants to hear because it could take months for the wheel to be available, and that is terrible. So I did what any sensible person would do in this situation. I bought my own wheel. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. This is heavy, but I finally got my wheel back. But today is MLK Day, so I'm gonna go drop it off at the mechanic tomorrow. I'm gonna catch you guys when I go drop it off, but for now, I got my wheel. No, I was wrong. They're open today, so I'm just gonna go drop it off today. You know, I missed this Hyundai. It was a nice rental for the time being. Too bad I crashed that too. That's not funny. Yo, I was low-key losing hope because it's the pickup day, right? And it's 5:37 p.m. right now as I'm talking to you guys. And I just got a text. The best text I could possibly ask for. It says, your Chevrolet is complete and ready to get back to the rhythm of your life. Caliber collision. So I'm getting ready right now to go pick up my car after all this time. Oh my god, it's been, the accident happened on December 23rd. So I haven't had my car for over a month. When I tell you I forgot what it's like to have that car, you guys have no idea. But I'm about to go pick it up. I'm gonna take the camera with me. I'm gonna record as much as I can. And then the car should be in my house pretty soon after all this time. But I'm getting ready right now. Hold on, put on some deodorant.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Oh my god, I can't wait to get back. Oh, and guess what? Guess what? Today was also a good day, not just because of the car, because this finally came in. Oh, the day I get my car back, I get my play button. What has it been like? What, 3-4 months? I don't know, but it's been a long time. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. I just got ready. My friend is gonna come pick me up. At least I'm gonna have my car back soon. I've been sad these past months, but I'm getting it back soon, so I don't care anymore. But I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to the mechanic. I'll try to record it if they let me record, but I should be good. I'm gonna catch you guys. Oh, guess who's calling me? Hold on, let's see. Hello? Hello? What's up, man?
Hey, just calling to let you know that the car's done, ready to be picked up if you want to come by.
All right, I'll be there.
You want to go to the car? Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
I'll see you here.
Yep, thank you, man.
Yeah, of course, no problem.
Oh my god! You guys have no idea how excited I am. It's been so long since I had my Corvette. I forgot what it's like to live without it. Oh my god, it's been over a month. I'm never gonna take this car for granted ever again. You guys don't understand that. I'm not doing anything crazy anymore. Nothing reckless. I'm never racing again. I never raced in the first place unless it was in Mexico. Duh. But nothing is getting taken for granted. Oh my god, I just want to sit in my car and play music one last time. Oh my god, I can't wait. But I'm gonna catch you guys. I just wanted to pick up the camera because I got the call. Hold on. You have to dress up to go pick up. Is it a special day or what? I look stupid. Let's just go pick up the car. All right, so we're here. I don't know why I'm kind of nervous because I haven't had this car in so long, but the Corvette should be somewhere in that garage, but we're gonna go pick it up right now. I'm nervous, but let's go. Hi, hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good.
That's great.
Picking up? Last name?
Okay, Mom?
Right. Let's get some paperwork, or do you want to look at it first?
Yeah, let's look at it.
Okay,
first.
let me get Luis for you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Oh.
All right.
How you doing, man?
I'm good. How about you, man?
I'm good.
Ooh, excited.
Excited?
Yeah. So, man.
So, I got everything together. The whole repair came out to 34 grand. It was pretty high. There's a lot of things, but take a look. You tell me what you think.
It looks insane. It actually looks insane. Because the paint, too.
Yeah, we did
appreciate
everything
that.
before.
Oh my god. And then the splitter, I see what you mean. It's way more aggressive. But I like it a lot, though. Damn, it's been so long. It's been so long without the car. It looks great, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Excellent. Guys, I know right here it looks like I'm underreacting. I swear, I'm actually so happy because Luis did an excellent job. I genuinely couldn't have asked for a better mechanic. Everyone spam thank you Luis in the comments to show your appreciation for this beautiful man. Thank you, man.
You want to go with them, and I'll bring the car for you right now.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so signature, this is just for State Farm, allowing the payment to come directly to us. 2 signatures. Alright, final bill, everything that was done to the vehicle, lifetime warranty and repairs and paint that was done, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Total 33. Sounds amazing.
Oh my god, I just heard it.
Sounds, every time I turn on, I'll be like, oh my god.
I'm so excited, it's been so long.
Alright, this is, I guess, that negative supplement that you're requesting.
Yeah.
So that's for you. And then let me get you copies of this, and then we have a $2,000 deductible. Copies, okay?
Alright, thank you. It looks brand new. I'm not even kidding you. Look, I'm gonna show you. And plus, I'm gonna get reimbursed for the wheel I bought, but who cares? I'm just excited to drive the car back. Like, I'm trying to hide my excitement because I'm in public, but it's outside. Yep. You can go like show them the thing while I do this. Ooh. Oh my god, I miss this car so much, man. Thank you so much, Luis. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You have a good night, man. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, man.
I'm actually in my Corvette again. It's insane. You guys have no idea. I forgot what it's like. I forgot what it's like to be in this car, man. Hold on. I'm gonna get a downshift for you guys right now. Hold on. It's been so long. I forgot what it's like. I've been driving Corollas, Sonatas. I've been driving Camrys, everything but, ready? Oh, I didn't get a good downshift. Hold on. Oh my god, it feels so strange. It feels so strange, but it feels so good. Hello, baby, downshift. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to the gas station though, because there's a lot I want to talk about, because this isn't just how the car was before the accident. There was a lot of stuff that changed, and I want to get good lighting so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna talk about that, but I'm so excited. I have so much videos that are gonna come up, but yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm there. All right, remember in the car when I was like, there's some stuff that changed. It's not the exact same car. So I'm gonna show you. If you couldn't tell already, the whole car is resprayed. So for the price of $2,000, which is my deductible, I got a full respray. I got a brand new splitter. That's like a stage. It's a higher stage, so it's more aggressive. And I got a carbon fiber side skirt. I did not have that, so my insurance hooked me up with a carbon fiber side skirt. So now it matches. Oh my goodness, there's a Camaro pulling up. Oh, it's a ZL1 too. What's up, my boy? Hey, I got it back. I just got it back right now. Filling up the Corvette, first time back. It's cold. I gotta pee, so let's get this going. Oh my god, it looks so good in that lighting. This is showroom. This is showroom quality because this is brand new paint. It looks insane. I already got it dirty because it's raining, but who cares? I'm gonna clean it. Oh my god, that's the owner's loud. But yeah, I finally got my Corvette back. I actually want to get serious for a second, because I know I joke a lot around on this channel, but I just wanted to sit down and spit some wisdom, since apparently I'm an unk. Might as well give out some unk wisdom. In this past month that I didn't have the car, it made me realize a lot of things. That no matter how attached you are to something, it could get taken away in an instant. No one thinks it will happen to them, and some people need it to happen to them so they can understand how important that thing was. Now, I'm not saying I was happy that the accident happened. Of course I wasn't. I was sad. I cried about this. I'm saying if I had the chance to go back and fix it, I won't. Why? Because I learned a lot. And in this second chance I got to keep the Corvette, not 1 second of it will be taken for granted. That being said, there's only one last thing to do. Thank you for watching this video. It was a great one to record, but if you're still lost and you want to know how I actually crashed my car, make sure to click right here and watch this video. It explains everything.